We are here because Laura and Luisa have a couple of questions to Master Yoda.
Do you believe in Jesus?
Yes, I love Jesus very much. I love him. He's the main thing in my life. Without Jesus, I am no one. Even a Jedi needs Jesus, and I love him very much.
What happens to those that don't believe in Jesus?
Oh, that's a great question, my kid. Those who don't believe in Jesus, they are going down. They're going down fast. They are going down. We have to believe in Jesus. Thank you for your question. And for you that don't believe in Jesus, you still got a chance. Give your life to him like I did in the past. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.